Hi everyone, welcome. This is Sardas LB and today we're gonna do a Louis Vuitton Game On unboxing, and this is such a beautiful purse, guys, that I am just obsessed with this. I was looking for it for several days online, and then finally I contacted my SA and asked her if she has this, and she told me that there's none that she can find. And then the following day she texted me and told me that it is available, and now it is here. So let's open it together. Or following me on Instagram, you already know what this is. I noticed that the ribbon is different, and then it's nice that it came with this Game On shopping bag. So let's open it together, guys. I am excited, and this is it. And I noticed also that this paper lining is kind of special compared to the usual plain ones. This one has like a pattern, like a quilted pattern all around it. And this is the first, guys. Ta-da! So pretty, guys. So it is the Game On Felicie, and you can see that it has a lot of colors. It has a pink, white, red for the heart, and then brown for the LV. It is just a pretty color. It's very colorful, and this reminds me with a Murakami line that came out years ago that is very pretty. So the colors are all around this bag, and the workmanship of this bag is really beautiful. Like it is prettier in person. This doesn't do justice here in the video, though you can really see that the bag is beautiful, but in actual sight, this is really pretty, guys. And I am just so happy to be able to have this, as this is so hard to find. And inside has this pouch which matches the purse, and this card holder that goes with it as well. So this retailed for $1,350, and I paid like $1,400 something US dollars with tax. And my SA is from Beverly Hills, and that's where she found the bag, right in her store. Even if this is available in other stores now, some SA are also holding on to it for their customers. That's why the SA that you might know that it's not available in their store is finding a hard time getting the bag from other stores, as this is really sought after, and a lot of customers want this particular bag, as the price point is not really that high compared to other Game On purses and items. And I think this is such a good grab and go bag. It's small, yet it fit our cell phones, our card holders, and even other essentials. I used to own a Felicie in the past in monogram, and I still have the Felicie chain, which I put it in this Chanel pouch, and it is still in shiny gold. And this one came with another Felicie chain, and comparing both, this chain is brighter than my old Felicie chain. By the way, I let go of my monogram Felicie, as I'm grabbing my pochette accessories rather than that, as it fits more. So I've never thought that I will have another Felicie bag, but this bag is just so pretty that I just have to have it. So this is my new chain, and this is the old chain, and you can see that this is brighter gold. If you're gonna put it on, hook it on this bag, it will look like this. We'll also do shots, guys, at the end, as I do in most of my videos, so you'll be able to see how it wears with your outfits. So right now I'm wearing this plain green outfit, and it also looks so well with this purse. Just so pretty, guys. And it has a snap closure. It's easier to snap the bag if there's a lot of items inside. So we're gonna put this inside. Oh, by the way, guys, inside has a black textile lining and has another slip pocket here, and this is made in Italy. This is the barcode that went with it. And we're gonna put this both in. So pretty, guys. I am just so thrilled to have this in my collection, and it is just a pretty purse. It lays beautifully on your body. It's not bulky, and it is just pretty to look at with different kinds of colors, and it's just a happy bag to wear even if you carry this every day. Supposing you have a lipstick, and this is a bulky lipstick, and let's try to put it in. So it will still fit, but it's just, did you see that it just gets bulky right away? And we'll try to put another lipstick, and this is a Chanel lip gloss. Let's close it. So it will fit, even though it may look bulky, but it will fit. And you can also use this to put your receipts or cards or just any items that you might have that you might bring, and just put it here inside. Supposing you're gonna leave this home, I will show you how it fits. So I'm gonna put this compact inside. Let's put it in here. So it looks like this, and then there's still space here, I think, for the lipstick. The lipstick fits, and let's close it. So this gives you an idea that the purse fits a mini pochette and then a lipstick inside. And it also fits a cell phone. If you put a cell phone, this is an iPhone 10 case, and then a Chanel card holder. And I'm gonna put in lipstick mints. So this also fits a cell phone and a card holder, and if you're gonna put your lipstick inside, it will all fit in this bag. So what are your thoughts on this purse, guys? Let me know what you think. This is just a fun piece to have, practical piece as well, as you can wear this on a daily basis. And I can't wait to see how it looks on me as well. And let's go ahead and do the mud shots, guys, and let's find out. And please do like this video and subscribe. So I'll see you again next time, and stay safe, everyone. And we'll do the mud shots right now.